Welcome back to another video that nobody asked for. Kind of. People always comment on how great my eyebrows look, and my fans are just the sweetest. I decided, let me show people how, because that's usually the follow-up question is, how do you get your eyebrows to look like that? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So right now you can kind of tell the eyebrows are hidden. They've been untouched for probably 2 weeks. I like to maintain mine just because I like to keep them sharp. Normally I get them threaded and I would go once a month, but I was kind of on a low budget job and it was really tough to squeeze that $14 into my budget because I would rather be at happy hour. It was really tough to make ends meet during that time, and I had to just do what I had to do. On the off weeks or when I was going out and they were looking just a little rough but not enough for me to go get them threaded, I would just tweeze. And sure, whatever. I've tweezed since I was 14 because I've always had a unibrow. Always had a unibrow. It really takes care of most of the work for you. Recently, I had stepped it up. A lot of barbers use something called a straight blade. Straight edge, straight blade, whatever. I don't know. And it looks like this. You buy the blade separately from the piece that you actually use to hold and do your face. My brother had found this called Easy Blade, so it's kind of like a gel. I have very sensitive skin, he does too, and we would always get cut doing this. So it's just Easy Blade, and we got this on Amazon. This thing, I have no idea where we got it from. The blades we just got on Amazon, so I'm sure you could order the actual straight edge blade holder on Amazon as well, but we didn't. And then you have your handy dandy pliers, tweezers. I just said that. Also, since I'm ratchet, this is gonna be today's mirror, your handy dandy iPad. Pay attention to what you're doing and get a really good close view of what's going on, because you don't want to take off half of your eyebrow. I would mostly recommend this for males because this is actually super bad. It makes your hair come in a lot faster. I'm not a specialist. I'm not an esthetician. I'm not trained in eyebrows. I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Disclaimer. That's the big disclaimer. But yeah, let me hop right in. So, step 1, remove your glasses. Step 2, check your cell phone. So yeah, like I said, you're gonna tweeze, and you're kind of just gonna take and I like to hold my eyebrow, and you're just gonna pull. You just pull. You clean up and pull. Ow. Don't get your skin, because that's gonna hurt a lot. I kind of already did it, so I'm gonna pretend and then fast forward, zoom through this in the editing, starting now. And done. Okay, this is the real big part. I'm serious when I say get this Easy Blade shaving gel. I'm not joking. I'm gonna start with the top because it's the easiest. So just run that over. You're gonna take your straight blade and you're gonna hold. You're gonna wanna hold and go like this. Now I follow the shape that I already have there. So I come right down to the hair. That's all you have to do. Don't push it. Don't try to get cute. I don't recommend styling your own eyebrows, and I don't recommend doing this for myself, but that's what I'm doing and that's what you're here for. And now you can kind of see the top is a lot more clear and defined. I just take a little toilet paper and wipe. I like to wipe the blade off because hair gets on it, but please be careful because it's a straight blade. It will cut through the paper and it will slice your finger. Like I said, I like to do the tops. So I'm gonna come over here and hit this one. Now for me, I'm a right-handed guy, so it's a little easier for me to come on the right hand. I like to hold it in the right hand, keep with your dominant. And then I need Botox, so that's why I'm holding my forehead up. Also hit the middle. Don't forget to come down the middle. Wow. I honestly didn't even take off that much, and it looks really a lot better. Even from the top to the bottom, you can notice that it's different. And if you can't, well, then you're lying to yourself. And don't forget, there's sisters, not twins. Be dumb careful, because it's a lot more sensitive, I find, at least on me. So, I kind of have to go in a little different and really hold up my skin. Can you tell? It's already cleaner. It looks so good. This side's a lot harder. I may have to cut this out. And then don't forget to clean up the side a little because the eyebrows should end somewhere. Still see a little hair, so I have to go in there with a tweezer. Now, I also don't love to do the middle. Sometimes I'll hit the middle just to bring it in a tiny bit. Yeah, so like I said, you just go in and really clean up, do a little damage control. Whatever is left is what you want to focus on. Ooh, got an email. So I can see right here in my arch is where it is accumulating the most hair. It's gonna look like I did absolutely nothing to these eyebrows in a few hours. So I just cleaned out the underneath portion. Looks all good to me. We finished with our straight edge. I like to recommend taking some aloe vera and putting it over your eyebrows, just because if you're like me, these are gonna be red, bumpy, swollen puppies in approximately 3 minutes. So treat them, make them feel good. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. If you don't like something about yourself, change it. Especially when it's this easy and it's free. And if you're a thought like, you gotta have them eyebrows on fleek the fuck. These are my eyebrows. There is no before and after picture. I hope you guys can already notice a difference. I sure do. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to slap something up. I know it's been a while. Send this to somebody who you think needs to get their eyebrows on point. Send this to that male in your life that you're like, yo, your eyebrows look so busted, do something about it. And hopefully this helps. All my social media is going to be in the description below. And I guess that's that on that. I'll catch you guys in the next video.